Thanks for tuning in, everybody. I'm Gray Shot Down. This is Doggone Sci-Fi. We're out cruising full self-driving 1144 today and capturing some aerial views and bringing you in the car and trying to provide you with the overall content to be able to kind of make some judgment calls and see how the software is performing for yourself.
Okay, clear. Had to give it a little left tap. I always thought this was a really pretty area too. We got those invisible power lines coming up.
Let's see.
Alright, so we got a blind turn. Last time we got lucky and there was no one coming. So creeping forward. See, it hesitated. I appreciate that. Rather than just going. It hesitated. Yay.
Pause. Let's take a pause. That's why I can't keep up with you. I'm like, why am I not going to be able to keep up with you? There we go. I'm like, why am I not keeping up? It's not the proper mode for Wilson.
Wilson.
Wilson! Right now Wilson's going, wait for me! Alright, I got you.
Okay. Get over. Get over.
It really does get in that lane late, doesn't it?
Yeah, not where you and I would get in it.
No. I mean, don't get me wrong, it's safe the way that it does it, but it does kind of get in the lane late.
Mm-hmm.
Here, let me get into a better spot for this turn so you guys can see. I'll tell you what. We'll do a special top-down view of the...
So when we took this turn earlier, it did cut the turn into the oncoming lane.
That's why I'm going to do
So
this.
we'll see how it does. We got no one coming, but yep, there it does
totally
again.
cutting it.
And as you know, that is Doggone Sci-Fi's least favorite way someone takes a left turn.
No, it's not a comfortable way
No.
to take a left turn.
We are heading up into one of my favorite neighborhoods.
Pretty houses up here. It's about as close as we could get to something that's like a San Francisco street for how twisty it is.
Yep.
It's about as close as we can get to Lombard Street.
Okay, fair question, and don't make fun of the person that doesn't know this. Does San Francisco get snow and ice?
Ice, I'm not sure about. Snow, definitely not. Comment down in the below if you guys live in the Bay Area. Do you guys get snow and ice?
Because, like, one of the reasons why we would never move up in this area is the winters that we get.
Yeah.
We are coming up on one of my favorite houses in this area, only because it reminds me of my southern roots. It's got the columns and everything. It looks like it's right out of
This one here on the left, right? The white one?
Yep.
It's a cool house.
Mm-hmm.
I got a neat pool from the area you can kind of see too.
I will enjoy looking at that later. Alright. Does it do the turn?
Alright, here we go.
So we got no one behind us. Yay!
Woohoo!
Okay, we go around.
Should go around the car. Okay. Interesting. Did it just not want to?
Mm-mm.
Weird.
Not in a way that would have felt natural, would have felt comfortable for me, the driver. Like,
Yeah, no.
because it would have just, it looked like it was just going to stop and then go around, and it's like, that's not how we do it.
And the whole point of these drives is a chill autopilot drive that is easy and enjoyable for both all occupants in the vehicle.
Mm-hmm.
At least that's my perspective of it.
Alright, we start the climb,
All right, here we go.
as Miley Cyrus would sing. There it goes.
Oncoming traffic. That does well.
Mm-hmm.
There's the turn. Everybody at home, for the viewers.
Here's the next one.
Here's the next turn. This is really, really fun.
Now it's making sense of why I said we wouldn't want to live here in the winter.
No, because you guys can see how this hill is quite steep. And we get snow up here.
And ice.
And ice.
We get a lot of ice.
And I don't think they get snow trucks or snow plows up here yet.
They might, now that it's kind of
No, that's
becoming...
a little bit more populated as far as that
Yeah,
concerned.
but I don't think they used to.
No, I think for a while that when these homes were first getting built up here, they didn't have any public services to clear the roads during the winter time.
Yeah, and what a lot of locals do is they just attach a plow to their trucks, and then they'll basically hire themselves out, like, in the winter.
Yep. One disengagement? Yeah, because you had to pass that one car.
Yep.
Not a bad drive. Thanks you guys for joining us, and hope you guys enjoy the view. See you next time. I'm Gray Shot Down. This has been Doggone Sci-Fi. Catch us on Twitter, and we'll talk to you soon.